Welcome to the Windows channel, and this is another Creators Update highlight video. And we will show you today that you can actually create folders in your Start menu. So this is a great new feature if you want to put everything together in same categories. So you just click your Start menu, and let's look at what I have here. So you see here I already have a folder that I've put Word, PowerPoint, and Excel in it because these are the three main Office apps that I use. But you have other things that you might want to do. For example, I've got Google Chrome here. I've got Edge. So let's say, for example, I use different browsers. So I'm gonna actually have Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, be added to the Start menu tile. So I'll right-click here, and I'll say simply pin to start. So here's Firefox. So now I've got Chrome, Firefox, Edge. Another browser that I use also, Opera. That's pin to start. Now I want to have a folder that has all my browsers so that I can easily access the browsers that I use. Well, all you have to do, simply click on one tile and move it over another one. Once you do that, you'll notice that now there's two objects, two tiles in here, and there's a little arrow. So if you click, you see that now they are both inside one folder. So I can do the same here, add Opera. And I can do the same with Chrome, add Chrome. And here we go. Now I've got a folder, a tile that is a folder that has 4 browsers in it. So here I've got my Office stuff. Here I've got my folder with my browsers. So that's pretty cool. Now let's say I'm going to move something else here. Okay. Now I've got Yahoo Mail and I've got Mail app, which are the 2 mail apps that I use. So I'll move that. I'll move Yahoo Mail and I'll put it on Mail like this. And here we go. The negative side of folders is the fact that you cannot name the folders, and that would have been nice if you could have named the folders, but it doesn't work like that. But you can, of course, put the folders in. So for example here, let me move this away, and let's me move this up. So here I've got a Twitter app that I use. I've got my mail here, Yahoo and regular mail. I've got my browser, so I can name this group and say Internet apps. And so I know that all of these, including the Twitter that's right here, are Internet apps that I use regularly for different reasons. So Twitter for the social stuff, and of course the emails are here, the browsers are here. Makes it easier. You can of course create folders of different sizes. So for example, if you right click a folder, you can resize it to small, medium, wide, or large, and this gives you different possibilities. Of course, these are live folders, meaning there are some information that can actually pop up. So that's the easy way to do folders. It's very, very unique. You want to undo the folders? It's very simple. You just click on a folder and move the apps out of it. So for example, here I moved it out. I'll do on this one too. Let's put it here. Let's just move it out of the way here. So like this, and then I'll put it back there. And so now I've actually moved the folders around. I've removed from the folder, by the way, the different apps that were on this one, because I think I'd rather have, there's only 2 mail apps, so I'd rather have them, side by side. But I'll keep the folder with the browsers, for example. So whatever you want to have and create a folder with, that's how it works. So for example, I've got, solitaire collection. Say I want to use another. So I've got this game also. Let's pin to start this game, which is another game that I play. What else do we have that I like to play that might be here? I'm trying to find out. Okay, Wordament is something that I sometimes play, even though I'm not really good at it. So pin to start. Now what I'll do is take the tiles and put all the games in one tile. So like this, I'll be able to have all the games. And it saves space because they're in folders. You can now have only a few folders with all the stuff that you want. Put it by category like that, and at least it takes less space. You can have more into the start menu without having it really jam-packed with tons of tiles everywhere. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. And hope you enjoy our highlights of the Creators Update.